Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your ceiling fan is making noise. Watch until the end of the video to learn this and much more. Loose screws. Vibrations from your fan eventually lead to screws, bolts, and fasteners loosening. So, when your ceiling fan is on, you hear rattling noises that just get worse. To fix the issue, fasten the screws using a screwdriver. Improper installation. Your ceiling fan is also likely to make noise when installed poorly. Proper installation ensures longevity and the quiet operation of your machine. To fix this issue, contact a qualified technician to reinstall your fan. Electrical issue. The motor could also be broken down or worn out, or the wiring could be poorly done, leading to the ceiling fan making a buzzing or humming sound. A licensed electrician is best suited to resolve these electrical issues to avoid further damage. No lubrication. Sometimes, parts of the ceiling fan will start rubbing against each other and thus produce a funny noise. It means your fan parts have become misaligned due to insufficient lubrication. You will need to oil your fan and also identify the misaligned parts and fix them. So, there you have it. This is why your ceiling fan is making noise and how you can fix it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.